Hey y'all, it's your girl Kia Love. Welcome back to my channel. And before we hit this French toast, I just wanted to show you I am making the hash browns. I need to start with this first because they take longer. For the hash browns, I do not buy the ones that are already frozen and manufactured. I grab some potatoes, chop them up, blanch them, and freeze them for future use. So that is what I'm using. And to fry them, I start them off with a lot of water, a little bit of oil, and just keep adding water until they are cooked. And once they are cooked, I let the water evaporate and focus on browning them. But anyways, y'all, let's get to what y'all came for. Let's get to this French toast. Grab a bowl, and the first thing you're going to need is 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour, followed by 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast. And if you're wondering why we need nutritional yeast, it is because chickpea flour is very bitter, so the nutritional yeast will help cover up that bitterness. Next, you're going to need about 1/4 teaspoon of kala namak black salt. This is also known as the eggy salt, and no, it's not black. Then you're going to need about 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. I would say 1/2 tablespoon to 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And then you'll need a little bit of vanilla. I usually use about 2 capfuls of vanilla. Sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon, followed by a little bit of nutmeg. And then I'm going to add a little bit of almond milk until I reach the desired consistency. If I had to give an example, I would say you want the consistency to be like cake batter. Not too thick, not too thin. All right, it's looking good. This is the type of consistency that I'm looking for. And now I'm going to drop some butter in the pan until it is melted. If you haven't checked out my vegan butter recipe, the link is in the description box below. The pan is on medium heat. And now we're going to take our French toast batter, dip each slice of bread in the batter until it's well coated on both sides. We are going to cook the French toast until it is completely done and golden and brown. Because it is chickpea flour, it is important that it's completely done. I like to check it by pressing down with a spatula to make sure nothing oozes out. The French toast will not taste good if it is undercooked. Now go ahead, dip that bread like there's no tomorrow, and let's get to going.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young.
And of course, I had to fry up a couple of Beyond Beef sausage patties. I absolutely love these. I'm telling you, whether you're vegan, don't eat pork or whatever, eat these. These are so good. Definitely one of my faves. So it's been a few minutes, so let's go ahead and check on the French toast to see if it's ready to flip over. Okay, exactly what I'm looking for, golden brown and buttery. So we're going to go ahead and finish cooking this all the way, and then we're going to top it off.
So you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gonna do about it. Big wheels keep rolling and rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line.
So the food is clearly done. So now I'm just going to top it off with a little razzle dazzle of powdered sugar. Just dust it off a little bit. And then I'm going to add a few slices of banana. And also, while I was waiting, I was chopping up the strawberries. So we're going to go ahead and top it off with that. And then give it a little drizzle of syrup and call it a day, y'all. hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you plan to try it, drop it in the comments below. And until next time, y'all, it's your girl Kia Love. Peace and love.